Hi guys! Namiss namin kayo and we're here at Hilton Hotel.
Yeah.
There is our room, number 806. Of course, on the 8th floor. And then, there's the kids opening the door. Open the door. Wow! So, nakapasok na kami. Pero, papakita namin sa inyo. Yes!
Come on!
Okay.
Come in, guys.
Yeah, okay. Let's go inside. Pagpasok mo ng pinto is... Ta-da! A mirror. And, okay. Look lang namin yung room. Yeah. Pagpasok mo, isa makita mo kagad sa side. Ay, ate, the card. Okay, thank you. Makita mo kagad ito. Switch na to. Kung gusto mo magpalinis ng room or kung ayaw magpa-store mo. Privacy. Press this one. So,
I'll go to prison.
no. Okay.
I'll show you guys.
Okay.
Over here first.
Yes. Hi guys.
And over here, guys.
Nasa 8th floor kami. Room, okay. Paglakad mo dito, after ng salamin, is, wait. Saan ba tayo muna? Dito muna tayo sa bathroom. Okay, sa left side, ito muna, ito. This one. Meron tayong dalawang bottle ng water. And then, baso. Ang ganda ng baso nila, guys. Wow.
Okay, and sugar. Okay, guys,
Good.
we have some.
And this one first. Meron dalawang baso, dalawang cup, and then pinitan ng tubig.
Yeah.
And,
Empty.
ano to? Meron tayong
Come on, guys.
green tea, jasmine flower. Pwede pa tayo and chamomile flower.
Maybe I can wait. Because I'm going to go here next.
Okay, and then mga coffee.
And sugar. And the other one is brown sugar.
Okay.
And I'll show you.
And, ano to? And steering stick. Yeah, good job, Scarlett. Thank you. Wait. And then, meron tayong volt. Kung meron kayong kailangan itabi dito, yan ang volt.
I don't know what's that.
And then, meron tatlong drawer. Wala naman nakalagay. Alright. And then,
And I will show you the bathroom.
this side, wala. Ito yung parang cabinet nila. Pero, I love it. Yeah. And then, dito namin nilagay yung shoes. And then, our bags. And then, hangers.
And you can see here.
Yeah. Ta-da! And then, the bathrobe. 2 bathrobes.
And I'll show you something.
And slippers. And then, weighing scale. So, let's try the weighing scale. Wait. So, okay, wait. There's a weighing scale. Okay. Amber will try. How many kilograms are you now?
That one.
Oh, pounds pala, not kilograms. 48 pounds.
That's me.
48.4. How about Scarlett? Okay, Scarlett is 34.2 pounds. Zia, how about you, Zia? Come here, please. Wow, this is Zia, and she is now 31.2 pounds. Yay! And how about Nanay?
Nanay.
Okay, Nanay will try.
Nanay.
Yeah.
Nanay.
Next is Nanay. 100. What? 107.6 pounds. Okay, alis na tayo. Meron din silang flashlight. Okay.
Then the power.
Okay. Pag nilagay naka-ganyan, naka-off. Pag hinila mong ganyan, automatic siyang mag-light. Wow.
Then the power.
Then how about the iron? Okay, meron tayong plancha para sa...
Wait.
Okay, anong ano to brand? Anong brand ito? JVD. Okay. Okay. Next is the... Wait. Okay, Amber is so excited to show you guys the bathroom because they love the bathroom. Okay,
I'll show you here. Come on.
Yeah.
We have some faucet.
On the left side, on the right side.
Don't open it.
Okay.
We have another mirror for a big base.
Okay. Ito yung unlock.
And then
I love
there's
it.
something.
And then,
Toothpaste.
meron siya. Okay. Balitarin natin. Masyado. Hindi. Ganun na pala yun. Para kung gusto mo lang tayo
Yours is big.
Okay. Alisin na natin. And then, meron dito kung gusto mong i-adjust yung volume ng, siguro sa TV to. Kung gusto mo i-adjust or gusto mo ano, ganyan. Then, 100 to 220 volts. For shavers only. And then, 250 volts. Okay, tissue. Wait, yun. I know. Okay. Kasi nakasara, hindi na. Kasi may water kanina, nakababa. Ito. Tapos ngayon, hindi na alam kung paano siya. Ayun yung pala, dito sa side, sa likod ng ano niya. Up, down. Pag binaba mo, ayan. Okay, mag-blow. And then, we have facial soap. Wait.
Let's brush our toothbrush.
Lavender. I love lavender. And, what is this? Body lotion. Okay.
Guys,
I love it. And, okay.
that's nothing.
Hand towel. Parang isang sink.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and we have this.
Wait.
Look
And then,
inside. Look
what's
there's
inside this
toothpaste.
box?
Guys, toothpaste. Toothbrush and
Wait.
toothpaste.
And then, meron tayong personal hygiene like
And
brushing
then
teeth,
This one, little one.
shower cup, sanitary bag. What is this? Dental kit.
And this toothpaste.
Dental kit. Okay, dalawang dental kit. That's all. And then, this side. Okay, walang laman. Oh, hair dryer. Okay. For nanay. Hair dryer.
And I'll show you the bathroom now.
Okay, trash can. And then, anong tawag dito? Parang bangkito. Kanina nasa ilalim yan. So, para sa mga bata, para maabot nila yung sink. Yes, like that one. Alright. Okay, on the left side,
I'll show you the bathroom.
bathtub.
Yeah. This is, I like over here and have some towels.
Yeah, they love bathtub.
And I'll show you the
Wait, the bathtub, yay! You will swim later? You want to use the bathtub later?
Yes. After
Use
that,
the faucet, ano? Okay.
Nanan.
Then we have towels here. That's all here, but
Nanan.
okay, this side, merong dalawang door. Wait, dalawang door. Sa door ni Amber, merong toilet bowl. Yay!
This is a question.
Trash can.
Then we have.
And this side,
This is for.
shower.
Yeah, but I was
This is so deep
thinking
for the
about
shower.
there.
Yeah, later.
It's yours
Shower.
now.
Oh my! Only shower, not the bathtub.
This ours and this yours.
Oh!
Yes.
Okay.
Kids supposed to be
Okay. In
children.
the shower room, meron tayong... What's this? Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Alright. Walang soap.
And guys, I'll show you the bathroom.
No, isa lang pala yung soap. Okay.
Bye-bye, guys.
Let's close the door. Let's close the door.
And we have some.
Hi.
How
Okay.
I'll show you some.
Next is our...
Close your eyes first.
Okay, close your eyes.
Come on,
Close your eyes, and then we will show you our beds. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I love it. Okay, let's walk. Okay.
Okay. Almost my time.
I love it. We have double beds. Okay, and this one. Okay, wait. TV. Ilang ano siguro to? 50. I don't know kung gaano kalaki to. 52 inches.
Look, you can watch and
Okay,
we have
ito yung lagay ng remote niya. Pero ang ganda, I love it. Lagay ng remote. That is the remote.
Wow.
And then, wait.
That's all.
Yan. Si Zia. I love it. And then, itong cabinet na to is for the mini ref. Mini fridge. Walang laman.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
And this is
Okay, let's close the mini fridge.
me.
Yay! Thank you, Zia. Okay, first drawer. Walang laman. Ito. Nandito lang mga snacks and drinks to order. Yan. Okay. And then, nothing follows. Next drawer. Walang laman din. And the third drawer. Sink. It's empty. And then, other side, empty too. Okay, let's close the fridge. The mini fridge. Okay, next.
We have this
Our bed. Okay. That is our
bed.
bed. Yes. That is double.
Sorry, I'm going to sleep now.
Alright. Yeah, sleep now. Good night. No, okay. What time is it? 6 p.m. Alright. So this is our lampshade. Only one.
No,
Like,
bye guys.
see?
Mama, I'm
But
nothing.
wait. See? Okay.
Please, I can turn on.
Okay, wait. Yeah, you can turn on. Okay. Next is the
This one.
yeah, and then the phone, and then the clock. What is this?
And this light.
Okay. Next is a drawer. Can I? Okay, this drawer. Wala naman laman. No. Okay. How about this drawer? This. Ooh.
So big. It's for
Okay.
toys.
For toys. Okay. I love our room. I love the room. And then the final look. Okay, wait. There's a desk pa pala. Wait. There's a desk here. After the TV. Ito yung TV. And then, sa kabilang side, yeah, there's a desk.
And you can surf here.
Yeah, you can choose your food here. Okay, and then there's a charging station. Wow, how cool is that? HDMI.
And you can press this and you want light.
Okay.
I can press it. Nanay, it's a button and you can turn off
Dear
and you can
general
press
manager.
it.
Okay, there's a lamp. Yeah, I love it.
And you want to write.
Okay, yeah. And then there's what's this drawer again? Same? No? What is this? Okay.
I don't know.
Oh, if you want food.
Excuse
Here's the
me.
menu.
I need to
Okay, the
write.
trash can.
Wait!
And then nothing's inside. Okay, next is the one sofa.
The
Single sofa and then a table. Yeah, here. And then if you open the curtain, wait. Okay, if you want to open the curtain, you will see. Okay, you open. No, you cannot. Here, no, only this one.
I don't know.
Okay.
And you can see the swimming
Wait,
pool.
guys.
And you can swim. And you can see the swimming
Oh my gosh. Wait. Okay. I will show you our view. Okay. 1, 2,
Wow.
3. Open it, guys.
How? You see Bernie.
Okay, open it. Zia, excuse me. Zia. Hello. Zia, excuse me. Okay, here is our view.
Yeah, and you can see the swimming pool.
Yeah, guys, look at
And you can see the swimming pool.
how cool is that?
I can go there. But I want to go on.
Yeah.
We can go there on 8
This is-
p.m. Please. 8 p.m. Please. There.
It's cold.
Please.
Zia, look at the pool. Yeah, I love the pool. Wow.
And then this is
Guys.
Guys.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Food.
We we will take a rest na. And thank you for watching, guys.
Guys,
Mm.
we need the food here and you're hungry.
Yes, we will order.
Dinner time.
Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, let's say bye-bye to them.
Bye.
Okay, wait lang. Okay, here.
Guys, I need to whisper. Friday's birthday tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow is Scarlett's birthday.
Yeah! Happy
Bye.